Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. Okay, friends, today we are going to make a smoked sausage ravioli in the crock pot. All right, so I have chosen spinach and cheese. Choose whatever kind of ravioli that you like. And then I am going to cut up this beef smoked sausage. Use any smoked sausage that you like. And then I am going to just throw in some fire roasted diced tomatoes. Okay. So I went ahead and I cut my smoked sausage like that. All right, so take your choice of spinach and just pour that in there. Get your tomatoes, your choice of diced tomatoes, and just throw that in there. And of course, we're going to stir that. Okay, and we're going to pour a half a cup of water. All right, a few seasonings. Throw in your onion powder, measuring with your heart. Also some garlic. And if you liked minced onions, let's get that in there too. Okay, my friends, we're going to plug in that crock pot. I am going to put mine on high. I'm going to say maybe, let's go 2.5 hours on high, 4 hours on low. Okay, so now let's just throw any kind of Italian style cheese or whatever cheese that you like. And this is going to melt. Okay, I wanted to mention something because it is important. Let's just throw it all in there. Okay, so when I threw my raviolis in here, they were not frozen. They were thawed out. So this only took me 1 hour. If you're throwing frozen ravioli in here, make that 2 hours. Okay, because I know I said 2 hours in the beginning. Most people cook their, crock pot like 2.5 hours. But I just needed to give you a heads up on that. Put your lid back on. Just wait for that to melt. Okay, it looks delicious. All the cheese is melted. Nice. I just love raviolis. Okay. I'm going to put the top back on there. And this really smells amazing. All right, I'm going to cut some of that ravioli. Perfect. This tastes real good. I tasted the juice. But I want to get into the cheese and the spinach. So one of the things I'd like you to comment below is like, what kind of raviolis do you like? Cheese ravioli, beef ravioli? I'm wondering like how many different raviolis are out there. Okay, let me get a taste of this. Oh, this definitely does taste really, really good. And if you wanted, you could even serve this with garlic toast and sprinkle some Parm cheese on top to top it off. But this has everything that I like, and it was just a few ingredients. So I hope you like it. Okay, friends, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more budget-friendly videos, please subscribe. But most of all, friends, keep on cooking, and I love you all.